More and more people are looking for ways to earn money online. Some are turning to side hustles to make a little extra money, while others are creating internet businesses that become their full-time job. Let's take a look at 7 ways to make money online that can take up a little or a lot of your time. Think of these options as supplemental sources of income, most of which have the potential to be a whole lot more. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a low-cost and relatively easy way to make money online. You don't need to have any of your own products or services to sell. Affiliate marketing gives you a chance to earn commissions from large companies. You promote the products or services of a company on your website/blog or social media account, providing links to the company's offerings. These affiliate tracking links ensure you get the credit for having delivered a paying customer to the company's website, and you get a percentage of the sale as your reward. The main work involved in affiliate marketing is giving people a reason to visit your website/blog, or Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or other social media account, and building up a large group of visitors and followers. To do that, you should provide content that is likely to attract people who are interested in purchasing the thing you're trying to get people to buy. For example, you might write and make videos about consumer electronics products, how to use them and/or which ones are the best, in a way that's optimized for search engines. 2. Start your own e-commerce website. A related way to make money online, but that perhaps requires a bit more work on your part, is with an e-commerce website. You would sell products from your website, either your own that you create or commercially available ones. If you choose the latter route, the most common and hassle-free way to fulfill orders is via drop shipping. You get the customers and take their orders, but a third-party company warehouses and ships the products for you. If you make your own products, you might want to start out selling them on both an established platform, like Etsy, and your own site. After you build up a base of customers, you could ultimately cut out that middleman. You can further monetize your e-commerce website by hosting ads, such as with Google AdSense. 3. Online publishing. Regardless of your current occupation, publishing non-fiction e-books is a good way to help establish yourself as authority in your field while making passive income. Once you've written and published the book, you don't have to actively do anything to take in revenue from it. Alternatively, if you've written a novel that needs to be read, especially in a popular genre like romance, science fiction, fantasy, or mystery, publishing it as an ebook has the potential to get thousands of eyes on it. You can sell ebooks on platforms like Amazon.com. If you are able to make a name for yourself as an author, you can begin selling ebooks directly from your own website and increase your profits. Consumers of self-published ebooks expect a quality experience that's on par with the offerings of a traditional publisher. If you don't have all the skills to ensure a polished final product, you might consider hiring a copy editor to fine-tune your writing and a designer to create an enticing cover. And if you're having trouble transforming your ideas into paragraphs and chapters of prose, you could hire a developmental editor to help you with that beginning part of the process. 4. Online freelancing. If you have a specific skill-based service you can carry out remotely, such as IT services, copy editing, or graphic design, you can offer it as an online freelancer. If you are able to find and accept enough gigs, you could become a full-time freelancer in your field. Or you could take on occasional assignments to supplement the income from your main job. You can find gigs using freelance-specific websites such as Freelancer and Upwork, as well as big job sites like Indeed. You should also consider joining an organization specifically for freelancers in your area of specialty. Such groups often let you post online information about yourself and the specific skills you can provide, and they may send out email alerts or have a jobs board with contact information for those seeking freelance help. A site like Meetup may be a good place to begin finding others who share your interests and skill sets. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.